Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cool avocado dabbing. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the avocado dabbing. At the beginning, I'm drawing an oval. Now I'm drawing its seed. Here is its eyes. Now I'm drawing its back. For its seed, I'm using my brown pen. Now I'm using a pale orange pencil. I'm using a brown pencil. Now I'm using my black pen to draw its hand. Now I'm drawing its legs. Now I'm using my green pen. Now I'm using my green highlighter pen. I'm using my red pen. In its eyes, I'm using my black pen. Now I'm using my yellow colored pencil. I'm using my pale orange pencil again. Okay. Now I'm drawing its shoes with my brown pen. I'm drawing a shadow with my pencil. Now I'm using my cyan colored pencil. Let's fill it with cyan color. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.